how to transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. Transposing multiple rows and columns in Excel involves rearranging data from rows to column or vice versa. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel and make your data ready. Now, once you are on the data, highlight the cells containing the data you want to transpose. After doing it, right-click on the selected cells and from the Content menu, choose Copy, or you can also press Ctrl+C to copy it. After copying the cells, now click on the cell where you want to start transposing the data. Right-click and choose the Paste option from the Context menu. In the Paste Spatial dialog box, check the option Transpose. Once you have located it, click on it, and you can see you have successfully transposed multiple rows and columns in Excel. If you prefer using formulas, then you can use the Transpose function to transpose data from the range of cells. Here's how you can do it. First of all, select the range of cells that matches the size of the transposed data you want to create. From the original data, here count the number of rows and the columns. Here you can see there are 9 rows and 4 columns. Now you'll have to switch the number of rows and columns. Select 9 columns with each 4 rows. Once you have selected it, now type =, caps lock on, write transpose, then bracket open. Now select the original data. Once you have selected it, close the bracket and now press Shift, Ctrl and Enter key from your keyboard to complete this array formula. By doing so, you can see you have successfully transposed multiple rows and columns in Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.